Okay, this is a view of our search and rescue project, which has been a very, very popular item. There were three of us that participated in building this. I'll talk a little bit about first before we get started. There's a power elevator in the back of the building, and I built the elevator. Another gentleman built the house, and the third gentleman built the robotic vehicle that's going to be traveling. This is a shot of at a typical show with the kid at a console with a joystick, and you will see a little bit to the right of this joystick, you may see that there's a video screen. There's a wireless camera on board the vehicle, which you can see on the front porch of the house. The wireless camera, and so she will see on that screen what the robot sees. The robot also has a red gripper out front. And there is a little baby doll on the second floor of this house. And so we're going to see if she can find that doll and bring it out. Why don't you go ahead with that?
Yes, let's play that one now. And this video has 2 runs in it. We're going to run just 1 run from it. Good. Hello. We are on ShineMakerFest.com. You can join in our Zoom. We have 2 Zooms going on right now. We have a Zoom, we have IRL's Stitchcraft going on, and we also have Shy Robots as they talk about all the robots and work that they've done over the last 20 years. Feel free to join us there.
If you just joined, we saw a view of a youngster at a console watching a video screen, and there we go. That was the starting shot.
Yeah. I have some.
So we're gonna watch the vehicle traverse through the house and take the elevator up and go over and grab the little baby doll and bring it out. It's our first project representing real world use of robots as rescuers. You know, the kids line up to do this.
Let's get started. If I take the break to introduce people. It's mostly because I'm on Instagram Live here for people to point people to join us through the website. So let's get started on that video now.
Okay.
So right here, this is the entrance as it walks into the room, into the house.
Yeah, the gentleman that took the video tried to get it. Okay, that went better. Okay.
Do you want me to pause it?
He's approaching the elevator at this point, and you'll see down at the bottom there's a red bar across, and the vehicle needs to push against that bar, and then.
Oh, and that's the button to go up. That's great.
Right. The pushing the bar enables the elevator. The youngster running the show has a button on the console to actually run the elevator. The red bar serves as an interlock to make sure that we don't try to run the elevator if the robot isn't properly positioned. Okay, there's a shot where you can see the video screen over on the right, and you can't see, and there we go. There's the joystick, and there are the buttons to control the.
And there's the baby.
And there's the baby. And we gave up trying to actually grab a baby by itself, and decided put the baby in the cones to make it a little easier. The youngster running this is seeing all of this on her video screen. So there's another shot. And
hearing it quite well.
You can see a white bar sticking up in the back of the robot, and that's got the wireless camera mounted on it.
And this is the participant here controlling the robot through the console there. Is that right? Yeah. And they only see that little camera. They see the footage from that camera on top of the robot, right?
Right.
This little black
So now
box.
the robot's back on the elevator and coming back down.
About how many people worked on this project again?
There are 3 of us. I did the elevator, another guy did the rest of the house, and the third guy. The man that did the house was Salvador Garcia, and the person that did the robot was Chris Adams. You may have seen one of Chris's other projects. He has a robot from Doctor Who.
Oh yes, I saw a video. There's a young girl who gets into it, right?
Yes.
I forget a Dalek. I might be saying that wrong, but Dalek. Yes. Yes.
Okay, and so we're finally arriving back on the front porch of the house with the rescued baby. The kids line up for this. It's one of our most popular shots. Again, Vicky, could you pause it? Oh,
yeah, I can go back a little bit.
Okay. Okay. At the rear, you can see that white, like strap-like thing sticking up, and there's a little black thing mounted on its front. That's the wireless camera.
Right. Yep.
So it's positioned to be able to see what's ahead and also actually see the gripper, so that it can position it appropriately.
Now, is that an Edison board, or what? Do you recall what this bot was based on?
It's a Romy. Was it Pololo? Spark Fun. Well, we buy from both those places. But it's a Romy with a 32U4 computer on board.